These 6 reasons is why your house smells bad. When you step out of your house, say 30 minutes, and you come back, whatever smell you perceive is the smell of your house. And believe it or not, we embody this smell, and when we go out, people perceive us some kind of way. That is why it's good to fix these 6 things so that we can smell good and people can see us in the light of who we are. And just so you know, perfume cannot diffuse all smell. That is why it's good you pay attention to this. Hi, if you're just joining, my name is Christiana. I post videos on daily basis to show people systems that has worked for me in my daily life. Let's get into it. Number 1, unwashed laundry. When you have a lot of clothes in your home that have accumulated over time, these clothes embodied our particular body smells that when they come together and stay over a period of time, they start changing the way our house smells. So please do not clog your laundry. When you have reasonable amount of clothes that are dirty, shove them into the laundry machine and wash them, because when you accumulate this, they kind of change the atmosphere of the house and make our house to smell really bad. Number 2, rugs and rags. We have rugs in our homes, especially the ones we have in the parlor, the one we have in our toilet. You know, when you're in the parlor, you have this rugs that you've layered and it's very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. Those rugs accumulate smell that is very hard to take away because they are not items that we wash every other day. So over time, they start to smell. If you have used your rug for say 1 year and above, it is actually good to change them. Or you can use machines that are specific to washing rugs so that their smell can be renewed. Else, as you continue using this rug, they have particular smell they emit to the atmosphere that make your house smell really bad. So if you can do without rugs, fine, but if you need them, try to change them often or try to get machines that can wash them properly so that they smell good and your house smells fresh. 3, mopping the floors with good detergents and materials that have reasonable amount of deodorants in them. Our floors accumulate smell over time, so it is really good to use detergents that have deodorant embodied in them, or buy a deodorant product separately, add in the water before mopping. When you mop this way, it will remove the smell and your house will smell really light and fresh, because bad odor makes the house smell heavy and we don't want that in our environment, especially when you have kids. Number 4, you have to open your windows for ventilation. Open your windows so that there can be air exchange. Let the bad air go out and the good fresh air come in, because when we stay in our homes, especially as family or people that have crowding in the home, there is this air that accumulates over time. Even when you use air conditioner, it doesn't take away most of the smell. So just shutting off all systems and opening the window for fresh natural air to come in encourages the house to smell lovely and amazing. And when the house smells good, you can think good, you can be productive, and you feel better. So I cannot overemphasize the point where you have to open the windows for fresh air to come and take away the bad air out. Number 5, do not sleep on your mattress without laying a bed sheet. You know, when we sleep, we sweat during our sleep because sleeping is also exercise. And those sweats go on your mattress and accumulate over time. It starts smelling. The mattress is not something that you can just take out and wash them. So please do not sleep on them without bed sheets. The reason why we put bed sheets when we sleep is so these bed sheets can serve as a protective case where it absorbs our sweat and our dirty, and we can take the bed sheets out and wash them and our house smell good. But when we start sleeping on the mattress themselves, we can't wash them. So over time, you come into your room and it smells really bad. You see how the hotels smell good? It's because they properly take care of hotel. And most times, even when you lodge in a hotel, you can't easily take the mattress out. Very hard. They put it that way so guests cannot, make the mistake of sleeping on the bare mattress, so the mattress don't smell and accumulate dirty over time. Also, your pillow must have pillowcases on them. You have to try. I know sometimes we're tired, we just want to dive on our bed and have a good sleep, but before that good sleep, try to have pillowcases on your pillow before you sleep. Else, be ready to change that pillow anytime soon, because the pillow will start smelling and you will not even know where the smell is coming from. The idea around not sleeping with bare pillow is because when your pillow starts smelling, you can't detect. Your house will just have this bad odor. You cannot detect where it's coming from, but you don't know it's actually coming from your pillowcase. So try to make sure there is pillowcase on your bed before you sleep. And for those couch lovers, we have people who just feel comfortable sleeping on their couches. If you're not having a leather material couch, your couch is made with fabrics, it is good to layer like a sheet on it before you lie down, because either way those couch can also accumulate your sweat, except when you have couch that you can zip off the cover and take it to do laundry. But if you don't have those kind of couch that you have to take them for washing, please do not sleep on them like that. Put a layer of covering on top of them before you lie down. This will help you a lot. 6, dispose your garbage on time. I cannot overemphasize this point, especially the perishable garbage, where you have your food that you've leftovers or food materials during cooking. Those items are perishable. They spoil and they start smelling. So please try to dispose your garbage on time. You cannot leave your garbage longer than 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, the smell will make your house smell really bad. So please try to dispose them on time. Tie them up properly and take them to the garbage dump, because they are not meant to be in your house. They are meant to be downstairs. I know sometimes we're lazy, we just want to leave them. Please try. Don't wait for your garbage to get filled to the brim before taking it out. Keeping it at home for that long make the place smell really bad. You may not know, you may not feel it, because sometimes our nose conditioned to the smell of our homes. But when we have a guest coming, those people feel it just right from the door. They're like, oh my God. They may not tell you, but they perceive you some kind of way. So try as much as you can to dispose your garbage on time, and your house will smell as fresh as you want it to be. And I have a bonus point for you. Install some artificial air fresheners and diffusers in your home. Even though they're artificial, they have this beautiful smell. They smell good, they make your house smell good. Don't depend on them, because they are chemicals and they can be bad for your health. I put these too, but not all the time. I try to use them once in a while. They actually make my house smell really, really fresh and good, but I try to do other things to make the house smell good, not just using air fresheners all the time. It's just a bonus point. You don't have to live your life by it, but just try to put them once in a while. They help the house smell fruity and very nice. Or you can make your own house deodorants. I have videos where I made some nice house deodorants. I will post them real soon, and that will be for you if you try to subscribe after this video. I'm gonna stop here for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video to who might need it, and see you in my next post. Bye.